with Sheriff VR. Today we're going to be checking out the new update. They've added a giant volcano. Let's try to see it through clouds real quick. Just see what's there. I'm not seeing the volcano. So yeah, let's go check out the cosmetics. You guys are probably already going to see a YouTube video about this, but I just really want to show you guys because I haven't updated in a while. And you guys have probably already looked at all this, but so yeah, let's just got a blowtorch. Got a hammer. This one's actually pretty cool. What's this? Hold on. Just wait. There we go. This you just drink lava. Pretty cool. That was a hammer. Put this up to your ear. You can hear lava. Got a little phoenix. Yeah, I show you the hammer. This. That's actually a pretty cool string. It's like shooting a fireball. And a little badge. I already have this. I'm pretty. No, I don't. Oh wait, there's the umbrella. This little vein. Also, yeah, we're not checking out everything in today's video. That was it. I know this is, but yeah,